In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Yahoo Mail account. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to yahoo.com. This will take you to Yahoo's main homepage where you can access different Yahoo services, including mail. Make sure you're on the official Yahoo website before entering any login details, just to keep your account secure and avoid unofficial pages. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click Sign In. This will open the Yahoo sign-in page. On this screen, you'll be asked to enter your username, email address, or phone number associated with your Yahoo account. Type in the correct information carefully, then click Next to continue. After that, the page will reload and move you to the password screen. Here, enter your password exactly as it was created. Keep in mind that passwords are case sensitive, so uppercase and lowercase letters must be entered correctly. If you're signing in on a personal device, take a moment to make sure your information is accurate before moving forward. When you're ready, click Next again. If your credentials are correct, Yahoo will sign you in and take you directly to your mailbox. From there, you'll be able to read emails, send messages, and manage your account as usual. If you have trouble signing in, first double-check that your email, username, phone number, and password were typed correctly. A small typo can prevent access. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and that the page has fully loaded. If needed, you can try refreshing the page and repeating the same steps. For extra convenience, some browsers may offer to save your login information, but only do that on a private and trusted device. If you're using a shared or public computer, it's always better not to save your sign-in details. And remember to sign out when you're finished. As you can see, signing into your Yahoo Mail account is a quick and simple process. You just go to yahoo.com, click Sign In, enter your account information, type your password, and continue into your inbox. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to sign into a Yahoo Mail account.